Oh yeah, look. We got another snow event, and yesterday I had all kinds of Illuminati Air Magic cloud photos, and there was a very strange atmospheric sky event yesterday, and we got massively chemmed the past few days, and I've documented it every day that there's massive chemming. You know, the chances are I'll probably at least get a video or two or three. I'll always try to look for if there's a lot of streaks and chemtrails, I'll go out, or if there's any bright, shiny, pretty events, I try to get all those too. But yeah, had to bust me a couple. Had to shovel a few times already. That's how much snow's fell. There it goes. That's how much snow fell. Snow's real creepy too right now. It's kind of like, it's super